SEBA Insert 2024 to 2025. Class 9. English Section. Some Importance Article. Part 1. Fully solved in one short video. 1. Write an article in about 100 words on preservation of biodiversity in the northeast of India. Preservation of biodiversity in the northeast of India. The northeast of India is a biodiversity hotspot, home to unique ecosystems and numerous endemic species. Preserving this rich biodiversity is vital for ecological balance and the well-being of local communities. Protected areas like Kaziranga National Park play a crucial role in safeguarding endangered species. Involving local communities in conservation efforts through ecotourism and sustainable practices enhances protection efforts while providing economic benefits. Addressing threats such as deforestation and illegal wildlife trade is essential. Through concerted efforts and community participation, the Northeast's natural heritage can be preserved for future generations. 2. You are Nandini Nabeen. Write an article in 100 words for a newspaper on the role of youth in combating corruption in the society. The role of youth in combating corruption. Youth are vital in the fight against corruption, bringing energy, innovation, and a strong sense of justice. Through education and awareness, they can identify and challenge corrupt practices effectively. Social media serves as a powerful tool for raising awareness and mobilizing action. Youth-led organizations and movements often advocate for transparency and integrity, influencing policy changes and holding authorities accountable. By embodying ethical behavior and encouraging peers to do the same, young people set a positive example. Their active involvement and commitment to justice can drive significant societal change, fostering a more transparent and fair society. 3. Write an article on No Tobacco Day to be published in your school magazine. In about 100 words. No Tobacco Day, a commitment to health. No Tobacco Day, observed on 31st May, highlights the importance of staying tobacco-free. Tobacco use poses serious health risks, including cancer, heart disease, and respiratory problems. This day is an opportunity to raise awareness about these dangers and promote healthier lifestyle choices. Schools can contribute by organizing educational events and discussions on the adverse effects of tobacco and the benefits of quitting. Encouraging peers to avoid or quit tobacco not only improves individual health but also contributes to a healthier community. Let's embrace No Tobacco Day as a chance to commit to a tobacco-free future. 4. Write an article on women employment in about 100 words. Women employment, a key to progress. Women employment is crucial for societal and economic growth. When women join the workforce, they bring diverse perspectives and skills, driving innovation and productivity. Supporting women's employment involves creating inclusive policies, such as equal pay, flexible working hours, and access to childcare. Education and vocational training further empower women, enhancing their career prospects. By breaking down barriers and promoting gender equality, we can unlock the full potential of the female workforce. Investing in women's employment not only boosts economic development but also fosters a more equitable and dynamic society. 5. Write an article in about 100 words on the role of youth in national development to be published in your school magazine. The role of youth in national development. Youth play a crucial role in national development, driving progress with their energy, creativity, and enthusiasm. By pursuing education and acquiring skills, they become equipped to tackle societal challenges and innovate solutions. Active participation in community service, leadership roles, and civic activities fosters a sense of responsibility and engagement. Youth-led initiatives and startups can boost economic growth and address local issues. Their fresh perspectives and technological savvy are vital in shaping a prosperous and modern nation. Encouraging and supporting the youth in their endeavors is key to building a sustainable and thriving future for everyone. 6. Write an article on human trafficking in about 100 words. Human trafficking, a global crisis. Human trafficking is a grave violation of human rights, affecting millions globally. It involves the illegal trade of individuals for forced labor, sexual exploitation, or other forms of abuse. Victims, often vulnerable and marginalized, are coerced or deceived into situations of exploitation. Combating human trafficking requires a multifaceted approach, including stringent law enforcement, victim support services, and public awareness campaigns. Education and community vigilance are crucial in identifying and preventing trafficking activities. By addressing the root causes and supporting survivors, we can work towards eradicating this heinous crime and ensuring justice for those affected. Seven. Write an article on mobile phone in about 100 words. The impact of mobile phones. Mobile phones have transformed modern life, offering unparalleled convenience and connectivity. With the ability to make calls, send messages, and access the internet, they keep us in touch with the world and facilitate instant communication. Mobile phones also serve as powerful tools for education, navigation, and entertainment. However, excessive use can lead to distractions and negative health effects, such as eye strain and sleep disturbances. Balancing mobile phone use with offline activities is essential for maintaining well-being. Embracing the benefits of this technology while managing its impact responsibly can enhance our daily lives. 8. Write an article on role of computer education in modern age in about 100 words. The role of computer education in the modern age. Computer education is crucial in the modern age, driving progress across various fields. It equips individuals with essential skills for navigating the digital world, from basic computing to advanced programming. Proficiency in computer technology enhances career opportunities, enabling people to excel in diverse professions. It also fosters problem-solving and critical thinking skills, vital in a technology-driven society. Beyond the workplace, computer education supports lifelong learning and access to information. As technology continues to evolve, mastering computer skills becomes increasingly important for personal and professional growth, making it a cornerstone of modern education. 9. Write an article on the usefulness of a library in school for your school magazine in about 100 words. The usefulness of a library in school. A school library is a cornerstone of academic success and personal growth. It provides students with access to a wealth of resources, including books, journals, and digital media, supporting their research and learning. The library fosters a love for reading and enhances literacy skills, offering a quiet space for study and reflection. Additionally, it serves as a hub for collaborative projects and creative activities. By organizing workshops and reading programs, the library enriches the educational experience and encourages intellectual curiosity. In essence, a school library is essential for nurturing a well-rounded, informed, and engaged student body. 10. Write an article on tree plantation in about 100 words. Tree plantation, a vital environmental practice. Tree plantation is crucial for environmental sustainability and ecological balance. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, produce oxygen, and support biodiversity by providing habitats for wildlife. They also help in combating soil erosion, regulating temperatures, and improving air quality. Engaging in tree plantation not only enhances the beauty of our surroundings but also contributes to mitigating climate change. Schools, communities, and individuals can make a significant impact by organizing tree planting drives and adopting sustainable practices. By planting and nurturing trees, we invest in a healthier planet and a better future for generations to come. 11. Write an article for your school magazine in about 100 words. The importance of extracurricular activities. Extracurricular activities are vital to a well-rounded education, offering students opportunities to explore interests outside the classroom. Clubs, sports teams, and arts programs enhance skills like teamwork, leadership, and creativity. They provide a constructive outlet for energy and help build a sense of community and belonging. Participation in these activities can also improve academic performance by fostering discipline and time management. Engaging in extracurriculars allows students to discover new passions, develop lifelong friendships, and gain experiences that shape their future. Embracing these opportunities enriches the school experience and contributes to personal growth and success. 12. Write an article, Conservation, in about 100 words. Conservation, protecting our planet. Conservation is crucial for safeguarding our planet's natural resources and ensuring a sustainable future. It involves protecting ecosystems, wildlife, and natural habitats from degradation and exploitation. By adopting practices such as reducing waste, recycling, and supporting protected areas, we can mitigate the impact of human activities on the environment. Conservation efforts also promote biodiversity, which is essential for maintaining ecological balance. Every individual can contribute by making eco-friendly choices and raising awareness about environmental issues. Embracing conservation practices helps preserve our planet's health, ensuring that future generations can enjoy a thriving and diverse natural world.